good morning. Today we're gonna work our room. I will show you. This one, we renovate this. All the way this. Oh, look at very ugly. See? See? Okay. So, me and my husband working here. This room. So, because we not hired what's that hand carpenter, because carpenter is very expensive here. So my husband, he's the engineer and I'm architect. But I don't know what's the result. So let's see, son, what's the result of this room. Bye. Tracing me, I could never explain. The sunny face, let me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes, saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hands, say you catch me wherever I fall. You say your best when you say nothing at all.
I'm done. It's gonna be a star. I'll change the spot right down there. It's
Yeah. So we need to turn that now. Here.
It's not easy.
Huh?
It's not easy. Yeah, and then there's gonna be one here too. Another stud there. Look at her go. She's only got all this to do over here. And all this and all. It just goes on and on. Marielle's going to be busy for a while,
Me?
folks. Yeah.
Rick told me to become a carpenter here in U.S.
Did I say that? All right.
So if we finish here all the way around, so what the next?
Like I said, I finished cleaning up this, and then we'll get some of that paint. I have some there. See the blue and white can up there? The kills?
Okay.
We'll go around and paint the bottom here where this looks like it's been replaced already, but maybe not. But this must have been a leak up here. So we're going to coat this with the paint before, and then we'll start setting the baseboard on. Okay, got to drill, nail, cut, measure, put the baseboard on. And
Finish?
one more.
Okay, finish. Guys, as you guys going to need to
94.7 at u.s.a. Last call
I like
to
past
celebrate
these.
your birthday or anniversary. You can add them to the list over on our Facebook page or email birthdays@u.s.a.com. They're coming up in less than 20 minutes. Someone's going to win that cake from Ben's Bakery New York.
Okay, I just finished that.
Dragging shit. Put this in first.
So there is easy.
You're in the shadow.
What, the shadow?
Duncan has what you need to conquer the day. So if you want to go from, I don't got this, to, I got this, well, then get this.
Just a little bit.
Smooth espresso drink from Duncan. Like a layered velvety caramel macchiato, a rich chocolatey mocha latte, or a creamy non-dairy oat milk.
Working, taking forever.
You're going to conquer itself.
Our room is taking forever.
What is all now?
With Dunkin' espresso drinks. Order
Huh?
it now.
Finish now, boss.
And medical needs during pregnancy and empower you to make the right choice for you.
Don't worry about too much about that being perfect.
Hi guys, good morning. Today we're ready for fry. We finished this eating and smooth. We refer this, finish, prepare all the damage. So all this wall we frying. And then, you see this? I already frying this, the every corner. so that we can starting use the rolling, the fin rolling, and not go back. Okay, thank you guys. This video, I will end this. First coat. Napaglock ba? Coat.
That wet.